Congratulations on purchasing your new grill, and welcome to the Nexgrill family. Before we begin assembling your Neevo 720 Plus digital smart grill with air fryer, please refer to your instruction manual to make sure all of the grill's parts are included. Note that you'll also need a Phillips head screwdriver and an adequate wrench to complete the assembly, which is not included with the grill. If you have any questions or concerns during assembly, simply call the customer service line on your screen. Now, let's dig in. 1. We'll begin by assembling the grill cart. First, find your grill's bottom panel and attach each caster using 4A screws. Note that the two swivel casters should be positioned on the left side of the grill, nearest the tank hole. Two. Once each caster is secure, flip the bottom panel right side up and attach the door stopper by loosening the two pre-assembled screws seen here, sliding the stopper into place like so, and retightening the pre-assembled screws to secure. 3. Now we'll assemble the tank tray. Start by disassembling the tank tray bolt, separating the screw and washer from the bolt itself. 4. Then guide the bolt through the hole located at the rear of the bottom panel, then reinstall its screw and washer from the other side. 5. Next, we'll mount the left panel by once again loosening the three pre-assembled screws located on the top of the bottom panel, sliding the left panel into place, and then retightening the pre-assembled screws to secure the panel in place. 6. Then simply repeat these steps to mount the middle panel. Seven. Now find your grill's left front panel, the one that says Nexgrill on the front. Position the left front panel in between left and middle panels like so. Then secure in place using 6 B screws, 3 on each side. 8. Next, we'll adjoin the left and middle panels with 2 upper beams, one at the front and one at the back of the grill cart. Position the front upper beam just above the front panel and secure it in place using 4A screws, 2 in each panel. Then mount the rear upper beam the same way, this time at the rear of the grill cart. 9. After that, mount the right panel by loosening the 3 pre-assembled screws on the bottom panel, sliding the right panel into place, and retightening the screws. 10. Once the right panel is secure, we'll attach your grill's 2 rear panels. Position the bottom rear panel at the rear of the grill cart like so, and secure it in place, vent side down, using 5A screws. On top of it goes the top rear panel. Use 4 more A screws to secure it in place, this time vent side up. 11. Next, find your grill cart's middle shelf and mount it between the middle and right panels, using 2 B screws from the outside of each panel. 12. Next, insert the magnets into your grill's door beam by firmly pressing them into place like so. 13. Then mount the door beam between the middle and right panels using 4A screws, 2 for each panel. 14. Next, we'll assemble the grease tray. Find the main grease tray, seen here, and attach the grease cup catcher using 2 B screws and 2 C washers, like so. 15. Then position the grease tray atop the right side of the grill cart and secure it in place using 2 D screws. 16. Now, with the help of a friend, carefully lower the main firebox assembly on top of the grill cart, making sure the LP regulator drops down on the right side of the middle panel. 17. Once in place, secure the firebox assembly to the grill cart using 4 A screws, 2 on each side of the firebox. 18. Once the firebox is secure, guide the LP regulator through the hole located on the middle panel. Use 2 B screws to secure the LP regulator to the middle panel. 19. Then, from the outside of the grill, secure the power cord to the left panel using 2 more B screws. Next, we'll assemble your grill's doors. First, find the door handles and remove the pre-assembled screw found at each end. 21. To mount the handle, position it over the holes located on the front of each door. Then simply reinstall the pre-assembled screws you just removed from the other side of the door. Once both doors are assembled, install them to the front of the grill by angling the bottom pin into the hole found on the bottom panel, then clicking the top pin into place, like so. 23. Once both doors are installed, slide the grease cup into the previously installed grease tray and close the doors. 24. Next, we'll mount your grill's left side shelf. Start by loosening the pre-assembled screw located on the left side of the main firebox. Then slide the left side shelf into place over the loosened screw. Retighten the screw and secure the shelf in place with 2 additional A screws. 25. Repeat these steps to install the right side shelf. 26. We're almost done. Next, open the lid and set each flame tamer into place. 27, followed by the cooking grids. 28, and of course, the warming rack. 29. Next, remove the 2 pre-assembled screws located on the rear of your grill's built-in air fryer lid. 30. Then mount the exhaust vent cover by positioning it over the holes and reinstalling the screws to secure. 31. Next, loosen the previously installed tank tray bolt and gently set your liquid propane tank into the bottom panel. Once in place, retighten the tank tray bolt to secure the LP tank. Then carefully but firmly connect the gas line to the tank. 32. Finally, plug the grill's included meat probe into the SureTemp controller located on the main control panel of the grill. Your Neevo 720 Plus digital smart grill with air fryer is now assembled and ready for use. Happy grilling!